Hello, this is HR Laser. In front of us, it's laser control room. Today, I will introduce for you. From left hand side, it's laser control board RD6445. This part, and the part next to is power switch for the X and Y motors, and the next one is the power supply for the Z axis, and the next one, the big black box, is the power supply for laser tube. The parts at foot, this is the stepper motor for X axis, this for the Y axis, and this for the Z, and this one we call the filter. For this laser machine, X, Y, Z axis movement is related to the parts include the laser controller, the power switch, and this power switch, X stepper motor, Y stepper motor, and the Z stepper motor. Let's look at clearly of the laser controller 6445. This portion or this block is the X-axis control. This block will send a signal to the X step motor, and Y to Y stepper motor, and the Z to the Z stepper motors. This block called CN4. This block receives the signal or response from the X and Y homing switch, and this block CN3 receives the response from the autofocus, and SSU we didn't use much here. We just use the 5 voltage to the red light. For example, we use the multimeter and turn to this gear, the boost gear. One side to the parts of the control card, and the other side to the parts of the stepper motor driver, and you can hear the sound from the multimeter. That's the connection is very good. It's the same story for the Y axis, also Z. This power switch provides the power to the X and Y stepper motor. So that's the pin of the voltage plus, and other probe to the stepper motor driver of y-axis. You can hear the sound again. And this switch is provide power to the motor of the z-axis. Okay, now I finish introduction for the laser machine gantry motor introductions, and the next part is for the laser tube control. This related to the controller and the laser power supply, also laser tube. But for today we are going to talk about the control board and the laser power supply. This block called a CN5. This block is control the laser tube working. Also, you can see from the software how it works in the setting, factory setting tab, and it's called laser tube 1. And the L-on-1 is to control the laser output or off, and LAN1 is to control the how much power output, the percentage of the power output. And thank you all. That's my all content today. Goodbye.